What if you could create and sell digital books without writing a single word and actually get real buyers? I tested a tool called AI Sales Rocket, and honestly, I didn't expect much. But what I found surprised me. Before you try it, watch this. Check the link in description if you want to see the full demo. If you've ever tried making money online, you know this struggle. Writing content takes time, creating ebooks is hard, getting traffic is confusing, and selling is the hardest part. Most people quit because they don't know what to sell, they don't know how to sell it, and they don't have a system. That's where tools like this come in. Imagine this instead. You generate a book in minutes. AI builds a sales system for you. You launch without tech skills, and people actually buy. That's exactly what AI Sales Rocket claims to do, but does it really work? So this is AI Sales Rocket. It's basically an AI-powered system that creates digital books, builds a sales funnel, helps you launch and sell all in one place. If you want to check it out, link is in description. Now let's break it down. Inside the dashboard, you'll see 1. iBook Creator. You enter a topic, and it generates a full book structure. Not perfect, but surprisingly usable. 2. Sales Funnel Builder. This is interesting. It automatically creates landing page, sales page, offer structure, which saves a lot of time. 3. Traffic Angle. They suggest ways to promote social media content, basic traffic strategies, not advanced, but beginner-friendly. Here's how I tested it. Step 1. Picked a niche, money-making topic. Step 2. Generated a book. Step 3. Edited slightly, important. Step 4. Used their funnel. Step 5. Shared via content. What I noticed. The system works best if you tweak it, don't just copy-paste everything, add your own angle. Here's what I actually liked. Saves time on content creation, good for beginners, all in one setup, no need for tech skills. It's not magic, but it removes a lot of friction. Let's be real, this is not perfect. Content needs editing, not fully done for you. Traffic is still your job. Results depend on execution. If you expect instant money, this is not for you. Pricing is relatively low compared to hiring writers, building funnels manually. Check the current price in description. It may change after launch. Compared to other tools, better than basic AI writers, easier than full funnel builders, but not as advanced as high-end systems. It sits in a beginner-friendly zone. This is good for beginners, affiliate marketers, people who want digital product side hustlers. Not good for people who want instant results, advanced marketers needing deep customization. So, is AI Sales Rocket worth it? My honest answer: it's a tool, not a shortcut. If you put effort, customize content, learn basic marketing, then yes, it can help. But if you're lazy, it won't work. If you want to test it yourself, check the link in description. Also, I've added bonuses there that help you actually use this properly.